Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to learn how to uninstall Python from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 here. So if you're using Windows 10 or 11, the process is going to be the same here. First of all, go to search bar here, and if I search for Python here, as you can see, I have installed the Python here, which is 3.10 version here and 64-bit. If you search for Python here, you will see an option called uninstall here. So you just have to click uninstall here, and this will take you to the control panel here. So you have to go to the search bar here in the right corner, search for Python here. After searching for Python, you will see these two options here, Python Launcher and Python 3.10. So you have to uninstall both of this software here. So first of all, you need to uninstall the Python Launcher here. So just click on it, then right click on it, then click on uninstall here. And this will show you a warning here. Are you sure you want to uninstall Python Launcher? So just click yes. And it will be better to remove here. So it will. And then you will see it is uninstalled here. Then again, you just have to uninstall this Python software here. Click on it, then right click on it and click uninstall here. If it shows some warning, just click yes, and as you can see, uninstall is progressing here. Now as you can see, after a few moments here, uninstall is successful here. So you just need to close it, and you have to check there are some files that are in your C programs here that left here. You have to delete those to completely uninstall the Python program here. So just open this PC here, then go to a C folder, then go to program files here. So in this case, there are no Python file found here. So if you have something called Python file here, you just have to delete it. So in my case, there is no Python file. It's already deleted here. So that's it, guys. This is how you delete or completely uninstall Python from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.